In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning infographics using Canva. If you've ever found yourself needing to present data or information in a visually appealing way, infographics are a fantastic tool. They're not only effective in conveying complex information quickly, but are also easy to create when you have the right guide, like this one. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Canva's website. If you don't already have a Canva account, you'll need to sign up, but for those who've already dabbled with Canva, simply log into your account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by a user-friendly dashboard filled with design possibilities. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice a vertical menu. Focus your attention there and find the plus Create button. Clicking this will open up a world of design options for you to explore. To make an infographic, you'll want to search for the infographic canvas size, which is perfectly suited for the task at hand. With the size sorted, the next step is to browse through the templates available. Canva is famous for its extensive library of templates. These are pre-made designs that offer a fantastic starting point. You'll want to click on the template that catches your eye. This will open it up in your editor, ready for customization. Now let's take a closer look at the Design tab located once again on the left side menu. Hover over it to get a sense of all the available options Canva provides for customization. If you have a specific look or feel in mind, use the search bar to find exactly the template you need. Upon finding the perfect design, give it a click. You'll see it appear on your canvas. Here's where the fun truly begins. Start customizing the infographic to align with your specific needs or branding. You can adjust text, colors, icons, and images, ensuring that every element is tailor-fit for your message. Remember that the goal of your infographic is to make information accessible, so focus on clarity and simplicity. Use contrast to make important details stand out and keep the textual content concise. Canva's tools are intuitive, making the editing process smooth and even enjoyable. As you make progress, don't hesitate to preview your work. This will help you spot any areas that might need slight adjustments or enhancements. Once you're satisfied with your creation, Canva offers several export options to share your work with the world, and there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully created a beautiful and informative infographic using Canva. Whether you're preparing for a presentation, posting content online, or simply organizing information for personal use, you now possess the skills to do so with flair and precision. Happy designing, and see you in the next video.